Well, hi everybody, it's Kim. It's like 11:20 on Saturday. I just decided to go out. I wasn't going to, and then, what the heck. We had rain last night. So amazing because we've been in such a drought and it's been so hot, and I'm sure our plants just loved it, and all the hills soaked it up. We didn't get very much, maybe 1/10 of an inch, but it's better than nothing. Anyways, I have all the apps on, and the only thing I got so far was a Doordash for $7 a double. It was Chili's and Del Taco, so I didn't take it, obviously. Anyways, I am not sure how today's going to be. It did rain, so maybe people will stay home. I don't know. Really, the ground's already dried up mostly, so it really wasn't a storm, but it really was refreshing. I know a lot of you live in areas where it rains all the time, and to you it's no big deal, but in Southern California, we haven't had rain for a very long time, and we're in a very severe drought. It's down to the point where we can only water our lawns once a week for 10 minutes. So we could really use some water. Anyways, yeah, haven't gotten anything. This is kind of crazy. It's been really slow. I know it's slow everywhere, but I did a video. Might want to watch it. It's about Doordash punishing cherry pickers. Now, I don't know for a fact that that's true. There are some other people that have said that they have proof and that they have information that verifies it, but I personally don't have any info to verify it, and I don't really have any proof, but I have had it happen to me. So what happens, supposedly, is that if you start declining offers, that DoorDash will just end your dash. Like, not pause it, just end it, and then you're not able to get back in. I have had that happen more than one time. Ooh, it's sprinkling. Ooh, that's exciting. Anyways, I have had it. Dash has been paused, and then the app will not let me resume, and you press everything, nothing happens, and you end up having to end your dash. The funny part is they don't even really have to do that. All DoorDash has to do is just stop sending you orders, which could be the case too, and maybe that's why we all think it's so slow. Maybe DoorDash just isn't sending us orders anymore. They're not deactivating you for rejecting all those orders, but maybe they're just not sending us the orders. So, who knows? Who knows? Anyways, I did a video about it, so you can watch that. What else was I going to say? That's it. So I've driven over here. Now this is where all the restaurants are, and I still have received nothing. Okay, I did one. Woohoo! Okay, this was crazy. So I really didn't accept it. I mean, I did, but it was an accident. So it was a $9 Panera going 3-point-something miles. I didn't want to take it. I went inside Five Below, which is kind of like the Dollar Tree, but a little bit higher price things. It's fun. Anyways, I wanted to go in there because I wanted to see if they had this little truck that my grandson bought last time he was here. We're going up to visit soon. I wanted to get him another one. But anyways, long story short, I accidentally took this Panera. So I left and went and picked it up. Oh, it's raining again. So exciting. Sorry. Anyway, so I left and went to Panera, and I just dropped that off. So I didn't really get to spend much time in Five Below, and I didn't see the truck. So I don't know if they have it anymore or not. But if I head back that way, I'll go again. But anyway, so I got $9. The only other offer that I even got was a Jenny Craig. It was $14 going like 16 miles, and it was 37 items or something like that. I'm like, hell no. Okay, I took a Jenny Craig once. I'm never doing that again. It's bags and bags of stuff, and the people don't tip. It's all just money from whatever Doordash gives you. So don't ever take Jenny Craig orders. And it's tons of things. I mean, it's a lot of stuff. And last time, when I did take it, it only said like 3 items or something, but it was 3 gigantic bags, and they were just filled to the top, and it was heavy. And the person's house was, you know, climb up all these, it was a house, but you had to go up all these steps. I was like, oh my God, what did I get myself into? And it was like $10 or something I accepted it for. I was like, oh my God, that was a loser. Anyways, yeah, so don't take the Jenny Craigs. They don't tip. And I've heard from lots of people that they don't even have an option to tip, because it comes from the Jenny Craig store, and they're the one who input the order, and they don't put a tip in. So don't bother delivering those. Anyways, yes, I am now. There's an estate sale over here, so I'm gonna go to the estate sale. DoorDash is dead, and Uber Eats has not sent me one thing. I did turn on Grubhub, even though I said I'm not going to do it anymore. They have only offered one, and it was very far for low pay. So today is just like a loser day. So I figured I'm going to do some fun things. So yeah, the estate sale, the sign said it was over here. I have not seen another sign. So I'm not really sure where it is. I love estate sales. It's so fun. I don't usually buy anything. I just like to go and check the stuff out. And with the Google Lens on the phone, you can kind of take a picture of things, and it'll tell you the approximate value. So if something has a really high value and they're selling it cheap, sometimes I'll buy it, like a little thing. There have been a few things that I have purchased that have been way underpriced. And I sold a few on eBay. There was a little dish. I wish I would have kept it, actually. It was really cute. It was a tiny dish, like about this big. And it had it was the, I can't think what that stuff is called. It's like light blue and white. It's called something. Anyways, it was one of those. And it had the most adorable little picture on the inside. I'm like, oh, why didn't I keep that? But I made a really good profit. I don't remember how much it was. Let's say the value was $60 or something, and I bought it for like $5, and I sold it for like $50 maybe. So anyways, yeah. Ambulance. Anyways, so anyways, it said turn here. I have no idea where this estate sale is. I have not seen another sign since, well, I did see the one to turn here, but, yeah. Hopefully I can find it, because it's fun. Estate sale. There's a Rams fan in front of me. His license plate says RAMZZS. Ooh, there's a Grubhub. I hate Grubhub now. $10, McDonald's. Ooh, that might be okay. Where's it delivering? I'll take that. I'm almost to McDonald's. It's $10, going 3.6 miles. A little bit better than the Panera that I took. So, not sure if you can read my shirt. I'm an LA Kings fan, a cancer survivor, and also a cancer patient again. Just told this story to the guy at McDonald's, so I figure I might as well tell you. So I had bladder cancer 27 years ago. Yeah. Anyways, I survived. I'm not going to go all into the story. I have another video about it if you want to watch that. I'll try to remember to post it up here. But anyways, fast forward to now. I have another bladder cancer, of all things. Not the same one. What are the odds? I just finished my first round of treatment, and so far so good. I feel fine. I go back in 3 weeks to get a cystoscopy, and it'll look up inside and hopefully won't see anything irregular. Hopefully he'll be everything as expected when he goes back in and looks. But yeah, so This one I caught super early. It had not turned into a tumor yet, which is fantastic, but there were cancer cells. So I did surgery to remove the cancer, not my bladder. And then I just completed a round of 6 BCG treatments. I think I'm going to do a whole series of... I did tape each time I went and talked about it. And I think I'm going to do a little video series about that. I'm not sure if I'll put it on YouTube, but if there's any interest, I will. But anyway, so, yeah. My advice to you is if something feels weird, something feels off, if something unnormal is going on with your body, go get it checked out. All I had was some blood in my urine for a couple days, and because of my history, I knew that I needed to get it checked out. There's a lot of things that could cause that, but I went straight to a urologist and got the test done, and turns out it was cancer. It was very, very early. So I was very lucky that I caught it so soon. I was lucky that I had those symptoms, so I went to the doctor to find out. So anyways, I just want to impress on you that if you have some weird symptom, go get it checked out. Don't just ignore it. Don't just write it off as, oh, it's fine. Because maybe it isn't fine. And if I wouldn't have gone to the doctor, I would have a bladder cancer inside of me right now, doing whatever it wants to do. So I wasn't going to talk about it on this channel, but I thought that since I just told the whole story to the guy at McDonald's, I thought I would tell you. Anyways, I delivered that order. It was super easy. It was not very far. It was just a leave at the door, so that was easy. Did that one. And now I had a Doordash for, whatchamacallit, Jersey Mike's. It's $11.50, so I'm going to go pick that one up. And then that one's only going 1-point-something miles. So I'll do that. And then hopefully I'll get something else. So, yeah, that's what's going on in my life. It's put a little wrench in things a little bit. I mean, I'm not freaked out. I'm not going to say that. I'm not even really worried. It's in the back of my mind. I know what could potentially happen if it comes back or this BCG treatment doesn't work. So I am just going to assume that it's going to work. I'm just going to put those positive thoughts out there that it's working. And I would appreciate if you are a praying person that you pray for me and send out those positive vibes. That would be fantastic. Yeah, so anyways, that's that. 1050 Chick-fil-A. 5 miles. Where is it going? You know what? I'm going to go ahead and take this. It's an add-on that makes sense. Anyways, I will talk to you later. So that's the double I'm doing. Woohoo. So anyways, I forgot to explain my shirt. So every year there's one of the Kings games, one of the promotions is it's a fight cancer game. So they play a regular league game, and it's kind of like a fundraiser tour type thing, and to bring awareness, that sort of thing. But they sell these shirts. It's not this shirt every time. They have different shirts, but and I also have a purple jersey that I wear when I go to those games, and it's just the money that you spend buying these items helps go towards fighting cancers. I'm not sure who they give it to. They have the Cancer Cares Foundation.
Use the right lane to take exit 16 onto Sunset.
Kings Care Foundation, that's what it's called. They, so the LA Kings, they're a great team. They do a lot of philanthropic things. But anyways, regardless, so this shirt says King's F cancer. F can be whatever you want.
Then turn right onto Sunset.
Anyways, yeah, so I have a couple of these shirts and I have the purple jersey,
At the
and
stop sign,
I try to make sure I always go to that game. Now the last few years has been COVID and I have not been to a game. I'm hoping this year I can go. I'm going to find out what date the game is. We had season tickets forever.
Then turn left
We
onto
don't
Doordash
anymore.
Road.
So now I got to pay to go to the games, each one individually, but
At the stop sign,
it's okay.
turn left onto
I love hockey, it's fun.
Then turn left onto
Anyways, I wanted to explain what my shirt was. So I dropped off the first order, the Jersey Mikes, that came to $11.50. I don't remember how much it said at the beginning. It was either $11.50, I don't remember. And then this one is an additional $10.50. This was a Chick-fil-A, and it was also ready when I went in to pick it up. So that was good. So then now this one, I'm almost there, so I'm gonna let you go so I can
At the stop sign, turn
concentrate
left
on
onto
this, but I just wanted to explain what my shirt meant because that was the whole purpose. So wow, this was a good one. I took a Cheesecake Factory. It said $12.75 or something like that. It's going 5 miles. I'm not sure what just happened. My GoPro just restarted, so I'm going to talk again. Okay, I took a Cheesecake Factory for like 5 miles, and I think it said it was $12.75. So I accepted it, went in, and the food was ready, which was fantastic. Dropped it off, and there was a $16 tip. It came to $26.25 or something like that, which is fantastic. So that's a nice order there. It's 1:15 now. I think I'm going to end because I want to go to Costco, and I'm kind of at the north end of town right now, so it'll be easy to get there. So I'm going to end on that one. That was an excellent one, and yeah, just go from there. So go to Costco, and that will be that. So anyways, thanks for riding with me today. I hope that you're having a great day and making lots of money. And if you're not out making money, I hope you're doing something fun.